Inside a Homepolish editor's stylish interior. In the living room, Bear's Streetwise N441 provides a calming backdrop in a space filled with color and pattern. We were so excited to get a new lounge chair to read stories with our daughter, and a place to relax, remarks Belt. A teal accent chair adds a color splash to the space. Personal moments are showcased throughout this family home. On the coffee table sits a book by the couple's mentor, Mary Lovelace O'Neill. The piece takes the couple back to their time at Howard University, where they met. To finish the bedroom vignette, a black and white limited edition print from Minted is a reflection of the family story, Three Again. Brooklyn's bedroom is filled to the brim with her favorite color, pink. The bubblegum shade, Bear's My Sweetheart Road W03, makes this space feel extra sweet. The gallery wall features a mix of favorite pieces of art chosen by Belt for her daughter, including illustrations of African American girls. A pop of fuchsia on the bed continues the room's color story. Chic bedding from Serena and Lily is topped off with Afrochick's Hustle pillow for a striking mix of pink decor. For Brooklyn, Belt focused on highlighting a mix of art and books that reflect her cultural heritage. They are beautifully displayed on the bedroom shelving. A colorful mix for a colorful home. In the entryway, Belt went for a striking color combination, creating fun stripes with Bear's That's My Lime T1716 and Jade Dragon T1715. A mid-century credenza becomes a perfect place for storing keys. Dark walnut table lamps from Lamps Plus flank a mix of family photos lovingly displayed in the entry. In the dining room, the color story continues. The space features a mix of mid-century modern pieces and industrial furnishings that Angela and her husband Leon have collected over time. The farmhouse dining table is perfect for seating the family of three and guests when entertaining. The bookshelf has a modern industrial touch, featuring reclaimed wood shelves and metal ends. On it, a showcase of the couple's favorite art and design books. Angela and Leon, who both studied art while in college, found ways to incorporate their pieces into the home's design. A large piece by Belt featuring one of her favorite mediums, Scrabble tiles, hangs above the bookshelf in the dining room. Behind the table, the couple has a bar cart, perfect for entertaining any time of the year. Above the cart, a piece taken by Leon during their travels is featured. Vintage pieces are also married into the home's eclectic mix. A vintage mid-century modern desk is the perfect workspace for the editor and designer. A gold desk lamp from Lamps Plus adds a modern touch. Art continues to have a presence in the home's design with a mix of photography, graphic art and mixed media pieces featured above the desk. The kitchen has been designed with fun in mind. Colorful stools and a chalkboard wall add a whimsical touch. Carving out an eat-in space was essential, as the bar table allows extra room for Brooklyn to partake of a snack or work on art or spelling. In the bedroom, Belt moved away from the bright hues seen throughout the rest of the home, and decided to go dark and moody. The shade, Bear's Tsunami S457, creates a cozy retreat. It also allows for a warm contrast. The honey-hued headboard and floating white shelving pops against the dark wall. And for a little bit of shine, silver accordion wall sconces add a glow. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.